Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 1 2 3 countings. Skin color, yellow color, grey color, orange color, light green color, dark green color, pink color, purple color, brown color and black color. Let's start. One, one, two, two, three, three, four, four, five, five, six, six, seven, seven, eight, eight, nine, nine, 10, ten, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Kids, what we learn today? We learn red color, purple color, yellow color, blue color. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.